In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo gallery to your Webflow website builder. Let's start from your Webflow account. First, log in as you normally would. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the sites in your workspace. Find the specific site you want to edit, then hover your mouse over it. When you do, you'll see an option that says Open in Webflow. Go ahead and click that to open your project in the Webflow Designer. After the designer loads, navigate to the page and the exact section where you want your photo gallery to appear. It can be in an existing section or inside a new one you've already prepared. With your cursor roughly in that area, press the A key on your keyboard. This is a shortcut that opens the Add Elements panel on the left side of the screen. In the Add panel, look for the div block element. You can type its name in the search bar to find it quickly. Once you see it, click and drag the div block onto the canvas, placing it exactly where you want your gallery to live. This div block will serve as the container for your gallery layout. Make sure the div block is still selected. Now, look over to the right-hand side of the screen in the Style panel. Confirm that you're on the Style tab, then scroll down until you find the Layout section. Under Layout, look for the Display setting. Change the display to Grid. As soon as you set it to Grid, you'll see controls that let you adjust the number of columns and rows. Here, you can customize how many images appear in each row and how dense or spacious your gallery feels. Take a moment to adjust the grid until it matches the look you're going for. Next, press the A key again to open the Add Elements panel once more. This time, search for the image element. Click and drag the image element into one of the grid cells inside your div block. As soon as you drop it in, a prompt will appear to choose an image. Click Choose Image, and the Assets panel will open on the left. If your image is already uploaded to your Webflow assets, simply select it from the list. If not, click the Upload icon in the Assets panel and pick a file from your computer. Once it uploads, select it to place it in your grid. To complete your gallery, just repeat this process for each grid cell. Add an image element, and then choose or upload the image you want. Continue until every grid spot is filled and your gallery looks exactly the way you imagined.